Hi everyone, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette, and welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am doing an unboxing of the Bargain Bead Box October kit called Leafy Landscape. And I love this kit. I've seen other unboxings already on YouTube, and I know I love it. And I'll be honest, I have peeked at some of the contents, but it's so exciting to do an unboxing for you. So thank you to all my subscribers. I'm slowly but surely growing my little channel. I'm almost at 500. And when I reach 500, if I reach 500, but I know I'm going to do it. I'm going to have a special giveaway for you. So as we get closer to those 500 subscribers, I'll give you more details about that. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Tell me what you would like to see me show you. So this month's bead box, bargain bead box, is called Leafy Landscape. And I'll read you the description that comes with it. This earthy palette showcases the abstract beauty of Picasso jasper with its gorgeous linear patterns and autumnal colors reminiscent of a late fall horizon. Pumpkin, leaf, and pine cone motifs add to the autumn theme with sparkling crystal accents and a selection of findings in antique bronze. This cozy color combination makes me want to curl up with a good book and sip some tea. Me too. So I will also have a coupon code in the description box below this video so that you can save some money, and I get a little bit of a perk, but it doesn't cost you anything. Actually, like I said, you'll save a little bit of money. So let's get started. I want to open this box. So they send it in a really pretty organza bag, which matches the color scheme. And I'm just going to start pulling things out here. So these are some bronze. It looks like these are antique bronze earring hooks. And let me just check. They have the number on everything. Oh, except for this. The ear wires. Let me just see what we have here. Yep, nickel-free brass ear wires. Oh, this is the bonus item. So this is free. They don't charge for this. So this is a bonus item. I really like these. I don't have enough antique brass, so I'm really happy they included these for free. Thank you, Beadbox Bargains. And these are 8mm rainbow Picasso jasper rounds, 15-inch strand. I don't even have to look on my sheet because they label everything very conveniently. Oh, wow. These are gorgeous colors for the fall. Beautiful. Love them. And that's a nice size strand. They say 15 inches. Yeah, it's about 15. That is a really nice size strand of those. Beautiful. And next, these are nugget beads. These are rainbow Picasso jasper rectangle nugget beads, 7.5 inches. They match those really well. Love the shape. Very different. Very different. Oh, these actually look a little bit like wood. Really beautiful there. I like different shaped beads. And I don't have a lot of nugget beads, so that's a nice addition for me. And next, these are 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in blue-green iris, 13-inch strand. I love bicones, and I like the 4mm size. Wow, these are gorgeous. Those will let a nice sparkle. So far, I'm loving everything. And let's see, this stuck to that. 4mm faceted agate round beads, a 14.5-inch strand. These go really nicely with the other beads. Let me show you. And they're they're faceted. So they have a little bit of a sparkle there. Very nice. In fact, I might actually just start leaving these out. Because they're marked, I know how to put them back. So these are, I'm not going to take all of these out. These are 5 grams of mixed brass jump rings. And yep, these are a bonus item also. So these are free as well. And they match with the ear wires. So nice. Thank you, Bargain Bead Box. Very useful freebies there. I just have to take these out because they're calling to me. These are so cute. 4 pieces of 10 by 15mm carved Malaysian jade, which is dyed quartz, but they are pumpkin beads. How adorable. So you get 4. I am loving these. These are going to be earrings. And even though only 2 of them really match pretty well, I don't mind having mismatched or asymmetrical jewelry. You can even use those as a pendant if you want. Why not? Why not? So these are 15 by 9mm leaf links. And these are also in the antique bronze. I want to take one out because I want to show you what they look like up close, because it's hard to see in the bag. But can you see that there are 2 rings, and you can use them as connectors. You can use them as the main focal of an earring. You can dangle something from the bottom and then attach your hook. These would look nice on necklaces or bracelets as connectors. Really, really pretty. And those do coordinate with the other antique brass. Love it. 8 by 6mm hematite, man-made, corrugated pumpkin beads in bronze, 7.5 inches. Now, I think this strand opened because there are some loose ones in there, but I'll just take this part out here so that you can see what they look like. Put those right here. And here is the pendant. I think we always get a pendant of some sort in the Bargain Bead Box. This is, 2 pendants. 2 pieces, 35 by 20mm. And these are also antique brass. Oh, I just love these. Look at the veining, the details. Earrings for sure. And next we have 5.5mm crystal faceted English cut round beads in evergreen AB, a 10-inch strand. Loving the English cut. I don't have too many English cut beads, so that's a nice addition to my stash. Beautiful. We have some 4 by 2.7mm oval jewelry chain, 1 meter in the antique brass. I'm just going to leave that in the bag. 1 meter, that's good. It's a nice amount. And we've got a magnetic clasp in brass as well. Super hold magnetic oval clasp. I'm not going to try to open this because I did open it previously and I don't want to ruin my nails. It's not that hard to open, but I just did them, so I don't want to chip anything, but it's super powerful for a clasp. Here is the 33 by 18 millimeter Rainbow Picasso Jasper tab pendant. They also put the retail price on each one of these little baggies so that you can see what you would pay individually. Oh my goodness. These are all a little different. No two are going to be alike. This is so pretty, and it goes so well with the other beads here. I really like that. I don't have a lot of Picasso Jasper, so these are really nice additions for me. This is, or these are, two-piece 22 by 17 millimeter leaf detail chandelier links. Ooh, in the brass. Gorgeous. Loving them. They go so nicely with the other metals here. These are crystal 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondelle beads in light green with bronze iris, 15-inch strand. And I think these are the beads, yeah, these are the beads that Lauren from Bead Box Bargain Bead Box and Bead Box Bargains said didn't turn out to be the color that she had anticipated, and that's why they don't really go as well with, I think they go fine, but you'll see that it's they're a different shade of green from these here. I actually like that. I don't think everything has to match exactly. She included it in the box just because she ordered it and she thought that we should have these as well. And I think she made a good decision. I like them. There's not too much I don't like from Bargain Bead Box. These are so cute. These are pine cone charms, 10 pieces of 13 by 7 millimeter in the antique brass. So I'll take a few out so you can see what they look like. So cute. Those will make nice dangles from a bracelet or maybe even earrings. So pretty. And here are 30 pieces of 5 millimeter corrugated barrel spacer beads in the antique brass. I'm just going to leave them in here. I think you can see them here. These are antique brass bead caps, 7 millimeter, bumpy 6 petal bead caps. Bumpy, I love it. So, oh, these are really, really sweet. I like these. So these will work with, probably with most of the beads in the box. Most of the smaller size. Really, really cute. And this is the last baggie. 10 millimeter Rainbow Picasso Jasper round beads, 7.5 inches. Oh, I love it. Oh, look at those. Each one is so unique and just beautiful shades of brown. We've got a little bit of green in there, and they will look so nice with everything else here. So here you have it, October's bargain bead box called Leafy Landscape. I can't wait to start making some jewelry with this kit. So Check back soon. I might have some projects using this kit, and I may have some projects using other kits as well. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you have time, check out my Etsy shop. You'll see the information in the description box below the video. On Etsy, I am Jeanette's Crafty Place, all one word. Thanks and have a great day.